Hello everyone, welcome to a new stream. It's been a while actually, but I'm back, thank God. So today we are going to continue programming the Five Nights at Freddy's game. I was going to say I was going to play games, but probably not going to. So today we are going to continue programming, and we will hopefully be doing the doors and hopefully the camera system if we're lucky. Okay, so yeah, everything's good. Alright, perfect. So I need, oh god, okay, here's the program back. Nothing's changed, everything's from the original. Dog's barking, I hate it. Alright, so I was asking some people about the expectation and exception, and I should put as reason. So if there is a reason, you'll print out why there's an error. So hopefully if I go like this, run it, new game. Okay, everything still works fine, that's good. Where's what am I printing? Printing numbers. Wait, where's the this is no, it's the main menu. Let's just go straight to the main game. Go this there, and that should just run straight the main game. Yep, there's the main game. Lights. Good. There we go. Okay. So what am I printing here? Where's the game? Main game. Also here we'll do exceptions as reason, then we'll print the reason. Why it's not working. Also for the main game we're gonna, because we're programming and we don't want to keep on watching the newspaper flash up, we will do the no delta time. So it just quickly pops up. Yeah, so it says index out of range. So we've got the reason why, but it's not crashing, so that's good. Now we need to know where we're printing. Oh yeah, what's up everyone? How have I not seen anybody yet? Hello, what's up everyone? How's it going? Hello Maze, how are you? You know, I'm gonna keep this up. Yeah, that's better. I can now see everyone's chat. How are you guys doing? Alright, we need to find where we're doing the print, because I don't want to keep on seeing these numbers, but I don't know where. Main menu. Nope. Get rid of these numbers. what is all this code? This code is programming, you know? We're making a better Five Nights at Freddy's with clean code. You know? I did do this like a while ago, but wanted it to look a bit cleaner. I'm just trying to find where we're printing the numbers. I don't know what these numbers are, though. So explain more. So we are programming Five Nights at Freddy's 1, and I've been doing this for, I think, since the start of the week, but I've only streamed this about 2 times, and this is my 3rd time streaming. Oh my god. And I've got dogs that keep on barking, it's really annoying. But all we're doing now is hopefully programming the doors, and if we're lucky, get the camera movement or camera system working. There we go, that's why. Printing the fan timer. Yep, so it prints the list out of range because this is shit. I probably won't do this, to be honest. Okay, so we are going to do the doors now. So as our favourite thing we've got to do, we've got to check where the doors folder is. So I'm just going to get rid of chat first. Doors. Looks like we're going to have to tidy this up for the folder. So it looks like there's 13 images. Oh no, yeah, there is 13 images. So we'll copy this, make a new folder actually, called left door. Copy all of this, go into this. We need nothing. Okay, that's weird. And we'll do this for the right one as well. So this new folder, right door. Okay, and that's it. So all we need to do is get the directory, copy the path, with settings and support, take those over here, settings, and we're gonna have to place it in the folder path. So main game office left door, or should we do left door, or should we just, let's just do door equals that, and then we'll leave the main game again. I don't know why I get rid of all the full files. Okay, so get rid of newspaper we don't need, and get rid of fan because we don't need buttons. We have to load all the images in. So self dot left underscore door equals load asset main game office door plus / left underscore door. We have to put this in quotes. don't think it needs any arguments, so let's get this back. Okay, so we will need to, let's just paste split all of the doors on the screen. So def doors self dot win dot blit self dot left door. Let's go like so you can see it 6 at 0.0, and we need x1. Do you understand what you're doing? Yes, I've programmed this before, but that was a few months ago and my code was awful, and this time I'm trying to do it again but with better code. Don't worry, I know what I've been doing programming for about 2 years now, and not trying to brag, but my teacher says that I'm the best one in this class. X plus, yeah. Now to do in the office, so door. Okay, it's there. We need to move it that way, so it's not going to be probably like 100. Close. Sounds like to me you don't understand what you're doing. I do know what I'm doing. Look, I'm programming right now. 25. You cannot tell me what I can't do. I know what I'm doing, I think. Here goes 10. Oh no, because that looks like yeah, that looks like a small door. Ooh, that's not good. We need to enlarge it. Will we see you break down a little bit further in a stream? I won't break down crying. No. I'll just be very confused, probably. Yeah, let's probably resize it. Where's X and Y? I need to print X and Y again because I just want to see the difference. So this is, let's say 100. So let's resize this as well. So left door equals resize self dot left door, comma 200 by 0. I need to. This is 30 till 700, so like 800, I think. Yeah, that looks like it. I won't break down. Oh, you want me to break down how the code works? Yeah, I'll show you that. Yeah, like, I'll tell you if you want me to, I'll tell you. To be honest, I forgot what it's called. I think it's called computational thinking or decomposition. Big words, but all they mean is you'll take the code and you'll start breaking it down into little pieces of code, and then when you solve the little pieces of code, you can turn it into a big piece. Then trying to get it to work. Then giving. I will not give up on this. If I did it before, I'm gonna do it again. 98. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to get every single pixel perfect on this thing. 98, 97. Hey, look, that fucking that's good. Yeah, young Josh was dumb as fuck when programming. Old Josh is now, or not young Josh, is very smart. I promise you that. He's got big brain, and he's gonna explore the world, hopefully. Let's hope so. Light, button light. Fuck, I don't know, I'm not an AI girl, Josh. Why would you even say that? That's so confusing. I'm not a fucking AI girl, and why can you not just say not girl Josh versus girl Josh? Why does it have to be AI girl Josh? Maze, you confuse me, you do. Okay, try and get some good music on. Lullaby. Well, it is what it is, sure. We'll go with that now. Have I got the music on? Yeah, it's just very quiet. Can you guys hear it? Yeah, there we go. It's just my headphones aren't good at picking up stuff. Yep, can hear. Good. Okay, maybe a bit lower. Yeah, hopefully that's good. Okay, what do I need? Buttons are at the bottom. No. Now the music is too faint. Oh. There, good enough. If you want it louder, just tell me. Okay, good. Okay. We'll have to do... C, B, down here, active time equal, active timer plus 3 times that by delta time. Here we will need delta time. Delta time. My brain is not braining. Oh, thank God you don't have to program all of this at 9 o'clock. I have to do it. It's 9:30 right now. I've just woke up. Explain what you do, wise one. Okay, alright. What I'm doing now is making a timer for the button. So delta time is the time of delta means the difference of, so it basically means delta time means the difference of time. And so if you have a really fast computer, the delta time is going to be shorter because the refresh rate is going to be faster. But if you have a really slow computer, then it's going to be longer. So let's say you've got a moving object. If you've got a really fast computer and you don't use delta time, then the object's going to move really fast. And if you have a slow computer, the object's going to move really slow. But then if you multiply by delta time, the difference of time, if you have a slow computer, it will be a larger number. So you multiply it by a larger number, it will be faster. So that it will eventually, both of the things, if you have a slow computer and a fast computer, the object would both move at the same speed. But for this, what I'm doing the animating of the door going down. All it is get in, if I get rid of this, where is it, doors. All I'm doing is looping through all of these one by one, and it looks like it's animating. As you see, it's slowly animating. And it just goes down and down and down. So now what I'm going to do is get that timer and go down. And we're turning it into an integer because we're going to set the picture to whatever index it is inside the list. I gotta go move some furniture, give me 5 minutes. Alright, yeah, see you later. See you in a bit, man. After active timer. Yeah, okay, so it looks like we have to organize this again. So we'll just rename all of them to the alphabet, because it will just be easier. B, C, D, no, this needs to be M. Okay, now if we do it, good. Then we also, where's doors? We'll have to put this in a try loop, obviously, so it don't break the game if it crashes. Try catch. No, accept. Exception. Don't do anything for the exception. Then in here, we'll do that so it has enough space to see. If self.reactive timer is greater than or equal to the length of self.left door, self.active timer equals the length of self.left door. Ticking down, and hopefully, no. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wait there, let me X. There we go. So it's now only doing that, but it's a big glitch. Oh, because we're still doing delta time. Yeah, thank you so much for the follow. How are you, man? Thank you so much for following me. What is it? Corey X Ghost, thank you so much. Slowly going back to the Twitch career. Thank you for the follow though, man. Sorry, I'm just thinking to myself, why it keeps glitching. So we're trying to make Five Nights at Freddy's 1. We've worked on the main screen. Now we're just working on the doors because we've got the lights working. But it just keeps glitching like that. So we're just trying to think what's going on. So let's go. Left door active. We need to do the loop down. So self-door door active timer equals self-door door active timer plus self-door number. So let's go 5 times delta time. Good. Don't work. Button. Right now. Door button. We need to get rid of our printing of the mouse coordinates. But I want to just see the true and false. We're just looking at here for now. So it turns false and then back to true. So that's not a stable one. We need to try and true, false, true, false. That should work. So, if self dot right door, no, left door button, print, just print so we can know it's working. Yeah, stops printing. Okay, that's working. Self dot left door active. Self dot win dot blitz self dot left door integer of the active timer. Put an active timer, and then we'll place it at 97,0, I think I put it at. Yeah, look. Okay, so it's a bit hard to do this, but can never say never. Else self dot then timer equals 0. My voice mod's still. I could do this for Twitch actually. That would be fun. Alright, give me like a couple of seconds maybe, because I might need to think about it. So it works. Wait, let's put this outside of the if. So that would be plus, this would be minus equals self dot left door timer plus 5 times delta time. So it's the same rate, but in this we also need to do if self equals 0. And we need to do it here, else. Oh yeah, we need to blit it on the window so we can see. Sorry if this is quite confusing or quite hard to see. It is quite hard, I'm not gonna lie. So if self dot no, we just need to print it. So self dot window blit self dot left door square bracket integer normal bracket let's just print. Nice one. Oh, we need to put it. Alright, give me a second, guys. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. I might have to stop my barking. Let's print the timer. The integer of it. Self-dot timer. -1. It goes straight to them. Why is that? It goes straight from 1, 2, 3, 4 to 6, 7, 8, 9. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should count normally. Yeah, welcome Mace back. Finally. There we go. So it works now. Before. If self-dot door button, left door button. Need a colon. So now what we're doing is just saying if it's not less than 0, because if it is equal to 0 then you'll see something, but you also don't want to see anything if there's nothing there. So yeah, you see nothing there, but then if you click it, it should go like that, but it does go back because the timer's still going on. So now we need to do a thing for the timer. Okay, so we don't have to work on that anymore. Okay, so done that. It's a bit too slow. Fine, I'll speed up for your maze. I'll put it as 10 or 15. Look. There we go. Is that happy? Are you happy with that? Or do you want 20? Yeah, that looks good. Put it as 200. Now if we can go incredibly fast. 20 looks, I don't know, 20 still looks a bit slow, maybe 25. We'll work on it after. If self-dot active timer is greater than or equal to the length of self-dot door, then we need to do self-dot active timer equals 3. Faster maze, man. I don't have enough speed on this. There we go. I think my voice changes. Thick. Clean. Okay. Alright, so what do we need to do? So that should hopefully... Where's a window? Where do we place the window? At self.office x plus. So now, if we move it will move. It will stay the same at the office. Now let me see why there's a glitch. So it's probably with the timer. Print self.timer goes 13 because it goes a little bit above. Oh, fuck. Let's do like a condition then up here. Self.left door shut. And that equals false. So we need to do another thing here, and we'll do self.left door shut equals true, else self.left door shut equals false. And we'll do it at the top. If self.left door shut. So if it is true, the timer will then plus equals 25 times delta time. And it didn't work. Fuck yeah. Let's try this. Okay, let's go back to the drawing board. Oh my god, why does this dog keep screaming? Elif self dot door timer is less than door please work. No, why? Why? It good speed. Alright, good. I was hoping that it wasn't good speed, because I'm not sure. I don't know why this is so complicated. I probably might have to look at my old code to see. But I might have to look at it and then make it better. Open my fnaf test in a new window. I really don't like my old code, because look at that, I had to fucking upload them individually. Individual doors, like look. 1, 2, 3, it's so shit. Just work with the mess. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So click the left. So if left ready is equal to false plus equals timer. Right. Yeah, you're right, as long as it works, but saying that, okay, so this is going to be loud. Wait there, I'm just going to turn the stream down because this will be loud when I try and program it again or open it. Oh wait, what? This one. No, not this one, this one. Okay. So, close it, it'll close. So, it is here that we've done it. If... 6 AM? No 6 AM yet. I don't think I've programmed it. I think I just stopped it. Or stopped making it. So I've done individual functions to open and close the door. So to open the left door, we need to minus, but then if you want to shut it, we need to plus. And then also we need to I'm fucking confused. Yeah, tell me about it. I've programmed it just to debug, but oof. To be honest, I might just do all of this in a different class, because that just might be better. Just like I did with my original. Then we need all of the hello, welcome there, Rock Spider. I wanted to record a message for you. Yo, what's up? Oh, nothing much. Just been programming this game for, in total, almost 6 hours of streams. Yes, you know, almost the whole message. I think I have actually got the sound recording as well. No, animatronics, music. Yeah, I have got those sounds as well. The camera sounds, every single sound, even the calls. It's going good, to be honest. If you want to see everything from start to finish, I'll show you right now. Let me just get everything so it don't look cheap and shit. So, this is what we've got right now. We've got Freddy and the lights, and if you hover over this, it will start flashing. You click it, it will get to the newspaper screen, and then it don't work because we need to get some of these back. Yeah, it's looking good. To be honest, I'm kind of annoyed because my shitty one, the original one that I made, looks way better than this one. Look, my old one, to be honest, the title screen's pretty shit because I didn't know anything about programming. So I've just had that like weird ass face. But then you click on this, you've got this, and then it fades out. I think it fades out or just, yeah, switches to that. And then look, left and right, still a bit fucky. Lights cheek is there, the timer, the usage also works. It's Bonnie, the door shuts. Flick on this, you can switch on each camera. And you can also get jump scared by Bonnie, so boom. I needed to implement sound, but I had like a checklist if I can try and show you. So Office, I needed to get the animatronics, jump scared sounds, the camera fix, the power out for Freddy. This is all for my old piece of code. Now I've just got this. Let's make a new directory called and in here we'll make. Good question. How are you gonna make them move around in the cameras? Oh, to be honest, I made. Oh wait, let me just doors. It's actually quite simple. It's really simple actually. Animatronics. I think that's just the jump scares. Yeah. I think I put it in main game. Night 1 I called it. Alright, so if you want the animatronics to move around, all you've got to do is, if I can find it, here. I've called it animatronics move, and it's basically a number, and if I show you the game, I got it just there. Close all the doors quickly. All I've done is numbered it. So this one's 0 for Bonnie. Bonnie goes here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then hits you with 6 at the door. Chica goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then hits you with 6 there. So look, because 6 is at your office, if I change both of these to like 2, no, not 62, 2. And if I show you again, if it loads up quickly, two is Bonnie's here, that's the second position for Bonnie, and Chica's second position is here. So all it is just numbers, so 0, 1, 2 for Bonnie, 3, 4, 5, and then hits you. Chica's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hits you. No, 6, sorry. It is really, like, it's really simple. I think I think I put it inside the camera position. Or no. Yeah, I mean, how they move, the order, because you gotta kind of change it if each time, or yeah, exactly, that's what I'm gonna do. So without making a new picture, all I'm gonna do is just replace the picture. So that's why when I say let's make something simple like this, the static, I'm not saying if it's above here change the picture, we're just going to replace what the picture has got inside it. So this has got a single static. Next it's going to have a different static picture, and that's what looks like it's animation or animating, because it's different pictures put in a certain time. So let's go back to debug. Yep, we got them. So everything's fine. Yeah, everything's fine. Okay, so doors. Let's do import Pygame as PG. To be honest, it does get quite confusing sometimes. Like, door equals PG dot display dot get the surface, and set that equals false, self dot timer equals 0. So then in the main game we'll call it, so from source dot office dot doors import everything. In the office we'll need, will we have to initialize it? Might do. Self dot left door equals left door. And then self dot left door. No, it's not a function. Oh wait. We'll have to do update dot update. Doors. We'll need delta time in this. I wonder how your code works. My YouTube channel has got my first episode. My second episode couldn't work because my computer said I didn't have enough storage. So, shit. How many errors have you got so far? I don't keep count, but I know there's a few. But that's the brilliance of programming. You practice until you work on the errors until you don't got no errors anymore. Boom, yes, it's working. So now this program is now communicating to this class. So what we're going to do is pass for now. Def mate, and this would be animate door, so we don't get confused. And this will need delta time. Self dot animate, and this will have delta time. What I've heard is that the best programs type, then errors, then type, then errors, and the cycle repeats. Not really repeats, because some people, like me, when we get an error, we practice so hard and hard to find out why there's an error and what we're going to do about it. So the try and exceptions. Here we will do self.timer plus equals 25 times delta time. Let's quickly print that. If so, you good programmer. Yes, me good programmer. What's it meant to do? Call that function. Also, how the summer break going so far? To be honest, it feels so long. Like, after I finished school, it felt so long. Monday felt like nothing, like I was off sick, and then it just completely lost me. Like, what the fuck? I'm actually not gonna be in school anymore. It's so weird to feel that. Settings, import everything from settings, and this will be main game, office door, plus / left underscore door, because I called it left door. I did. And no other arguments. but we will need to resize it. Self dot left door equals resize self dot left door at, what did I put it as? 100, 800. It's been a good break, to be honest, though. I'd say it's quite fun. Like, me being alone, playing games sometimes. It's good. Another good question. Are you going to add anything to FNAF, like putting on your torch and stuff? What do you mean putting on your touches and stuff? What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Now, will not work. Now, how will no work? What do you mean, why no work? I have fucking fine. Work then. Let's go slowly for now to see if it works. Should be blitting on this. It's not blitting. This should work. I don't know why it's not working. It should blitz the thing. Prints the number. Oh, because I didn't. Oh, that's why. I keep on doing this error. Self-load assets. But then it don't print it still. Now I've got to think really hard about this. It should print 5, but it's not doing that. Why not? There seems to be something wrong. It's not updating. Self.win.blitz self.left, not, is it? Yeah, left door. 5 at the position of 9. Wait, is it because I didn't put the bracket? Because if you put, yeah, I didn't put the bracket, that's why. Because if you, because we put it in a try and accept method, there won't be any errors, so you can't really see what's going on. Is it? There we go. Ah, that, it looks so slanted. In update we will need to have let's call it x, comma x, and then we need to plus that for the x plus. When we do this, we need to go self.office x, so then when we move it about it will stay there. There we go. We need some better music on. Okay, so let's let's try and animate it again. The integer of self-dot timer. 2, 3, there we go. Let's put it as 200. I think I'm mistaken. It should be 200, not 100. There we go. Yeah, so that's good. And then it stops. Let's call it L active. And L active for left door activated. L active. Then we need to do if L active do the timer. Now with L active in here we'll need to do self.door button. And then if we stop, that's kind of cool way to stop in between, but okay. And then it'll just break. That works. Let's do it by 10 so it speeds up a bit. There we go. And then we'll also need to do a stopping method. So if it is active, we'll check if if the self.timer is greater than or equal to the length of self.left door. We'll do less than, actually. -1. God, I'm actually really hungry. Ooh. Okay, there we go. And then we'll do else. We also need to check if this self.timer is if it is less than -1. Times delta time. So we click that, it will go down and stop. Click that, it won't go up. Why not? So that works if it's just an if statement. No, it don't, because we need to -1. Da, 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 da. When it goes 0, we'll go like -2. Let's do an if then. So self dot show equals false. True. Yeah, false. If self dot show the thing. So don't show, and then show equals true. So then nothing's there, but until you press that. Okay, there we go. Let's put this back to 0. My voice is dying. There we go. Close, and then well, let's just do an if statement then. If self dot active self dot timer minus equals 10 times delta time. There we go. It goes back up, but I don't know. Okay, but it's still. So let's see, where does it start? It's still going down, that's why. You need to check if dot timer is less than or equal to 0. If it is, no, if not, there, go up, okay, and then it's equal to 0. So I think I might have got it, guys. Click down, click up. Oh my god, guys, I think I've done it. Guys, I've fucking done it. Oh fuck, I don't know why that took so long. And that's from not looking at the, well, getting absolutely nothing from the original code. This is completely new. It looks like a fucking mess, and it is a complete mess, but we've done the door. We've completed the door. And it only took us an hour and 15 minutes. Yes. Okay. Okay, what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, speed it up a bit. So 25, I think we set it as. 25, 25. Maybe 30? Boom. Bah. Boom. Bah. Oh, that's fucking sick. There we go. Alright, now we've got to do the right one. Class right underscore door. copy almost all of this for the initialize. C V sure, animate door, timer, yep, all of that's correct. Load assets, C. Okay, this is going to be called right door. We'll call this right door. We need to do this right underscore door. Let's just do all of this. Control C. V. Right door. Shit. Right door. Timer. The best thing about having just the same thing is if it was on the other script, other file like this, we'd have to do two different things. So we'll call it like timer 1 and timer 2, but in the class we could just have it as the same name, the same things. It'll just be the same. The only difference is calling it right door, just not left door. And here we'll not have L active, we'll have R active. We still need the X R active, and if R active, basically left active and right active. And in the game we'll call it up at the top. I think we've done it, guys. Self dot right right door. Nope, up here. I need to get rid of the button, it's too big. Self dot right door dot update with delta time and self dot office x and self dot right door button, and then we also need to place it at a specific spot. So I think this is going to be like 900, not with a dash though. Close, 1200. I'll need to work on why it goes like blah blah. 13. Maybe a little bit back, like 1297. It's still running at 400 frames, like 400 frames. You can see it at the top here. 400, still 400. Okay, so let's say like 5. A little bit loud. I just want to make it perfect, so you can't see any like little light spots or little pixels of light that shines through. It's just that, and it's just that, so you can't really see any light. It's just those from the window. Okay, now let's work out why the timer is, it's probably the timer, that's what I think. So print self dot timer. Okay, so it goes Okay, so it goes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's weird, that should be all correct. 0, 1, 2. Oh, I know why. I think it's because we need to rename it again. Because we renamed that alphabet, so I think we need to rename the right ones the alphabet as well. I think A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. I think, hopefully. Yeah, there we go. It just looks wrong with there. Yeah, I'm gonna move it more towards that side, A2. There we go, we got it right. That one looks like it just bounces up at the end. But, to be honest, we got the doors working after almost an hour and a half. Fuck yes! It's slowly coming to. There we go. No, we still see light come through there, so let's go. 85. This really isn't needed, I just want to make it look really good. Yep, there we go. Oh god, okay, perfect. So we can get rid of the door class, or yeah, the door classes. Because we've got them all here now. And look, even if you hold it down, you've got enough time for the door to shut and door to open. 1,000. I think actually it's 1 second, not 2. So let's go on the button. The button function, and let's try and find where we see the delay, door delay. This one, it is 1, so let's go 0.5. 0.5. Yo, welcome back, Maze. What we missed? So you missed quite a lot, to be honest. We finally fixed the doors, so now it shuts, and so does this one shut. And if you press it up, it'll go back up, and it'll go back up. I'm thinking like 0.7. Has to be 0.7. Yeah, so they're finally working. Now we're just trying to make a good delay, so if an animatronic is there, you can go like, oh, animatronic there. Or no, you can go like that. Is there an animatronic there? Yes, there is. Go back down. Well, I think that's pretty good. Like, if I hold it down, it's pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna try and get the cameras working now. So resources, a GUI. Fuck, we gotta look through all of these for a camera. I don't think these have got cameras actually. I think it's in random. trying to find where the fuck it is. Chromas? It's just some colours. Cams. No. I don't know, they're just like random shapes. It just in the folder chromes, but I don't think they're there for anything. It's kind of stupid, I don't know why they're there. GUI, I think it might be in GUI. But I don't want to like push my luck and try and find fucking... Oh, it is in GUI, I am a dumbass. 420 as well? Fuck yes. Purple square. We need the purple square in the game. You know, we always need the purple square. Purple square. It could be the new fucking law. It's the purple square, man. Transparent is equal to... what's it called? A GUI underscore cam. Then... because we don't need that, we'll just set it individually. So we'll make a new class, and then inside office, and we'll call this camera. Camera. Okay. So now that we've got the camera picture, we're gonna import Game as PG and class of camera initialize with self.window being equal to pg.display dot get surface. We need a def update, but not now. And we'll load it in, so self.GUI equals pg.image. Another great question. Does the AI know about your streams? The AI? Me no understand AI. I don't understand. What do you mean? This one. Copy the path, folder, V, and then we'll do dot set color key to be 0,0,0. And I don't feel like typing the whole thing. You know what I mean? Nah, I don't know what you mean. You probably might have to type the whole thing. Well, no, we will need that because. Okay. We'll do display underscore. I would need def display. I'll just do green GUI, and then I'll have to do self.win.blitz self.GUI, and that's it, and we'll do that in the update. Oh, we need to do like the bottom of the screen. It's got a height of 50 or 60, so let's go. Does your AI, AR, VR, imaginary, non-real girlfriend, assistant knows about your stream? Yeah, she does know about my stream, and she is definitely not an AI or a VR or a V or AR girlfriend, and she is real. You may think that, Maze, but I know what's real and what's not. promise you that. 690. Then we'll also have that at X is half of the screen width, so we'll need the settings from src dot settings, import everything, comma, bracket, the height, no, width divided by 2. We haven't even put it on there, so sub dot screen g1 from src dot office dot camera. It cannot be broken. You don't know what's real and what's not. I know fucking what's real and what's not. What the fuck do you mean? I know what's real. Here. Yes, Maze, it's me programming her right now. You sure you know what's real? Well, I think so. I hope so. Let's quickly just make our file looks good. I know what's real. I know. I've got a brain, I think. Yeah. Now we'll do the GUI above this. Update. Bling. Set that when. We'll have to do it in separate lines, I think. But what is... Fuck. But what's real isn't only... Nays. Nays, you're lying. I know what's real. I have got brain, I've got big brain, and I know. Work. It's fucking over there. What the fuck? Real. It's not half it.
Into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you. into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you.
Okay guys, I do actually have to come off now, alright? Thank you for people coming in the stream, thank you for 4 viewers. Oh my god, it's actually amazing. But I will have to come off now, alright? So thank you guys for watching, I hope you did enjoy the stream. I'll hopefully be posting this on YouTube as well. Fine, I'll keep the song on for a little bit. But I do have to go, alright? See you later guys, have a good time.